Hello YouTube, today is October the 5th, 2016, a Wednesday. I have an unboxing to do for you guys. I got this from Stoneberry. It's a magazine company where they give you credit, and they gave me $250 credit, and I use it to buy us a new microwave because our old microwave was messed up. And this is a retro microwave. They costed $179.99, I believe. With tax, it was $205.98. I ordered this on the 29th. It came today, so that's kind of good. But this is right here. So I already cut it open, so let's see how it looks. My sister's gonna be happy because she been wanting another microwave for the longest. And plus our microwave was messed up, like I said. See, you get a booklet and you can buy other stuff for cheap, and you like pay only a certain amount of money each month, or you pay the whole amount off. Like me, I usually just pay the maximum, and it'd be like $13.99. So this each month I pay $13.99 until I pay the whole amount out, or I could pay the amount that I want. Then you get all these. Then you get the receipt. I'm not gonna show you the receipt because I got my address on it. And this is the microwave here. I'm gonna turn it around so y'all can see how it looks. See, that's how it's gonna look. It's a retro. So this is how it looks. I'm finna open it up if I can find the knife. Oh, here's the knife. Ouch. Maybe I should take it out the box. Okay, now I gotta go over here. There you go. This is how it look inside. You got this. Then you got this. Oh, the top part is white. No, oh. I was saying that color. JB, come here right quick. JB. Hey, I'm gonna need you to hold this like that while I'm taking this out. Don't touch it, just like this how I'm holding it. Okay. This one. I have to take it out if I can. Oh shit. I think I have to break this bitch down. Whoa, this one's hard to take. I think I'm. There we go. Close in, you see that? Mm-hmm. Okay. See, it's retro look. Don't want to drop it. Okay, put this down so y'all can see it. How it really looks. That's how it looks. This is how it looks.
It looks so cool.
I know, right? It look like back in the 70s or something, huh? So basically, when you use it, you're gonna press this to start it, say, and then like this to power and extra, and like when you, it's supposed to have a menu in it.
My friends to come over.
Okay, hold it.
Now
I'm finna go put it in a spot where we're gonna have it at.
Yay.
They really make sure you have tape on this video. Okay. Oh, it's all inside. Look inside. Come over. You see? See, the stuff is inside. It's the plating. Metro car. Not Metro. The guide. Okay. We're gonna move it to the area where we're gonna have it. Okay. Follow me. Follow me. Whoa. I don't think we're gonna be able to put it right here.
Oh, where are we gonna put it then?
Dude.
Over there? And then we can move. Nah, that'll be hard for you. Cause look.
Okay.
Look, you see that, right? I'm about to say move that over there, but it'll make it harder for you to wash dishes.
Yeah.
So.
Okay. This is how it look inside.
It's gonna be a problem.
I don't think we're gonna keep it right here, but for right now, I'm just gonna show y'all because my sister, I don't know what's up with her, but she ain't gonna like this spot right here. It being right here. It come with this.
It's cool.
See, the other one, it was kind of like that. It's really big inside, so I like that. It's way big. I should have showed a picture of the old one.
Of course, cleaner.
That's what the other one had burnt.
Yeah, I know.
Okay. Now I'm gonna plug it up for y'all guys.
Rip.
Just so y'all can. Oh, damn it. What they got on this all? Hold up. Okay. They really make sure it's everything tied up. But like I said, I got this from Stoneberry. It's a company. Sorry about that, you guys. That's just my alarm for something. I don't know. It's a notification problem. Anyway, it's Halloween, so month, so I made it as my notification. Okay. Anyway, gonna plug it up for the first time. Okay. That's how it look. I don't know how you. I got to read a manual. This will be the first time I have to actually read a manual for a fucking microwave. Microwave should be easy to cook. But can you put that stuff in the box for me? Like all that format. What we call it? Okay. Program dial. This is the program dial. Control paddles right here.
That too?
Yeah. This actually start button right there. And see, they have it where you have different foods and they show you what you can use and what time to have the food on and stuff like that. Like you even put potato in this bitch. So you can even put a potato. Wait, is that potato? No, that's vegetables. You can put vegetables, and see. Let's see. You turn it, I think.
What else can you put in there? Can I see? It says down here.
Yeah. Like we do for 10 seconds, and then you press the menu, the button like that. And that's how it goes, like that. You press the middle button, and it pop open.
Beverage. Vegetable potato rice.
It say in, and that's cool. Then you open the door,
Yeah, that's cool.
and it stop. No? Oh.
This is a 0.
You actually have to press the button to stop it. And this is the power button to set the time. It do have a time on it. I don't know what time it is, but I'm not, like I said, this is the very first time I'm gonna have to read a manual for a fucking microwave. Because this is retro microwave. It's a retro microwave. So it's a old time microwave, basically. Style. So anyway, that's my unboxing. Until next time, peace, love, and be good.